Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Bing SEO workflow. So this will be a video to make you walk through some of the important workflow which you can follow when you would be optimizing for Bing. Now before diving in, let me first explain why Bing is important. So the thing is that over the past few months or at the time of making this video, Bing have got a lot of new user and the market share by their integration of ChatGPT. Hence it becomes quite useful for people to use Bing as their SEO strategy nowadays. So over the next few minutes I'll be walking you through some of the essential workflow, SEO workflow to be precise, which you can use for your day-to-day activities for optimizing your Bing's journey. Come, let us dive in. Now first let us understand how Bing search algorithm is different from Google. So the first thing first, Bing have separate webmaster search console just like Google have its own. However, keyword density and domain age is still more efficient in Bing SEO, and authoritative link building is one of the key factor in Bing. Bing emphasize more on social signals, and also for better indexing, Bing leverages more on visual and multimedia content. However, Bing also places a huge lot of importance on content just like Google does. So let us go and understand some of the 12 months SEO action plan for the Bing search engine. So starting from the month one, some of the essential tasks that you should do is goal setting. You need to make sure that you set your goals prior, because you need to track how much would be the SEO success in the longer part of your journey. Apart from that, Bing Webmaster Tools setup should be there, just like the Google Search Console, a complete on-page and the technical audit, complete navigational UI, backlink profile, keyword research and URL mapping, content planning and the metadata session. So this is pretty much is similar to just like what we do in Google, but the only difference is that the search volume in Bing might different from the keyword search volume in Google. So it's better to use a Bing keyword planner for conducting the keyword research, and at the same time when doing the content planning, it's also better to check how the content or the keyword is trending well on the Bing, because the trend line for that particular topic might be different from the Google as well. And also make sure that your site is clean from any technical or on-page glitches. And one of the good side is that Bing Webmaster shows you a site health audit score, which you can take better use of. On the month 2, so moving into the month 2, as you can see from the screen, so it's mostly about the competitor gap analysis and internal linking. So you need to make sure that the internal linking is very proper. You identify essential gap opportunities from the competitor and make those as a list, and then utilize as SWOT or strength, weakness, opportunity and threat strategy to make sure that you are on top of your competitors. Few things remains the same: the technical SEO fixes, the core web vitals and the canonicalization implementation. However, fixing the duplicate content is essential, and also fixing the keyword cannibalization should be on your priority list. One extra thing that should be done is the Bing Merchant Center setup, and this I would only advise for the e-commerce campaign, and then you should start your backlink campaign. In month 3, you should do the Screaming Frog fixes, on-page fixes, because Screaming Frog does provide a lot of the on-page elements that really needs to be fixed on, and then you should start on with the competitor backlink analysis and use that as your part of your backlinking campaign. Then do schema markup, both the normal and the advanced version. And lastly, you can also use Bing API for content submission and deployment. This can help you to better index on the thing. And lastly, start on with your social media thing. So over the next few months, 4, 5 and 6, these are mostly on the backlinking thing. So you just need to be on top of your backlinking. Few extra things that you need to keep on your mind is Bing places optimization. This is very important. Local map and business citations, geotag implementation. Make sure that your JavaScript is optimized, and when doing the backlinking, make sure that you always monitor the spam score and the link profile of the backlink which you are building, and competitor or broken backlinking should be one of your good strategies to go for. Apart from that, Microsoft stacking. Just in Google, for Google stacking, in Bing you should use Microsoft stacking, in which you can use all the properties of Microsoft, such as Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Skype, and you can use all of them to perform a high level backlinking solution. Month 7 and 8, you can try and perform all of the advanced level of the operation, as you can see from the screen. So just pause the video for a while and you can just take a note on the same. And moving down to the end of the video, you need to make sure that you also check Google algorithm update. The reason why I'm mentioning Google algorithm update is due to the fact that sometimes fewer Google algorithm update can trigger some fluctuations and volatility in SEMrush sensors, and those can some way trigger the ranking in Bing as well. Even though this is not officially recorded, but we have seen during some of our survey done on more than 100 plus websites. So thank you. You can leverage these all Bing strategies as a part of your Bing SEO. See you soon. Thank you.